To start forecasting your WooCommerce revenue in the Forecastor app, make sure you are in the Forecast tab. If you don't have any forecasts yet, you'll need to create one by tapping Create Forecast or the plus button in the top right. Creating a forecast only takes a few easy steps. The first is to give it a name. I'm going to name this one 10% growth. Next, we need to choose what our source data will be. This refers to the past orders that will be used to inform the forecast. You can choose either two set dates or a dynamic source period that constantly changes with the current date. I'm going to set mine as a dynamic source period of the last 365 days. Next, we need to choose a default display period. This is the period the forecast will display when it is viewed on the main screen by default. We will see this in a moment. Finally, we need to apply any adjustments or blackout dates. Adjustments can be positive or negative and applied as a fixed amount or a percentage. For this forecast, I'm going to apply a 10% positive adjustment to simulate 10% growth. These adjustments are applied over a 12-month period. Blackout dates are dates you want the forecast to ignore if they are included in the source data. This might be a day where your store did abnormally well or was closed, and either may affect the forecast in a way that makes it less accurate. You can add as many dates as necessary. Once done, hit save, and the forecast will generate immediately. If you have multiple forecasts, you can sort them into whatever order you need. Simply tap the arrows in the top right, then drag and drop the forecasts into the desired order. Once done, tap Save. When viewing your forecasts, you can change the display period at any time. You should also take note of the two figures at the bottom of each forecast. The purple figures on the left are the forecasted totals for the period you have chosen, whilst the black figures on the right display the current totals up until right now for that period. If you need to edit a forecast settings, you can tap on it, then choose Edit Forecast to change any of the settings. Once done, just tap Save. You can also delete the forecast from the same area.